Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me. We're looking at question number 3 on our 2009 grade 11 Fermat paper. So question 3, what have we got in store for question 3? In the diagram, PQR, QST, and PSU are straight lines. Okay. The value of x is, so here I've got x up here. We've got some straight lines. How can I possibly figure out what x is? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is copy the picture down into my notes here, so I can play around with it. Of course, if you're writing the contest, if you're using pencil, you can just sort of write in the little booklet if you want. So that's S. We've got x degrees up here. I think it was 125 here, and I want to say it was 30 here, but let's just check. Ah, it was 30. Good job. Good job, me. Alright, so what can I do? Well, I've got some angles, and very notably, I've got this nice triangle. I'm going to leave off the PQs and all that. In fact, I don't even need this S here. All I need to know is that we've got some straight lines. And one really nice result is that if you've got two lines intersecting, then opposite angles in the intersection are equal. So we got an x degrees down here. And then, so, you know, that's sort of... these two are equal, and these two are equal. Another nice result when it comes to triangles is the exterior angle, that is the angle you get if you extend one of the sides, is the sum of the two interior angles. Okay? And this allows me to very quickly, and you don't have to know that result. You could say, well, these guys add up to y, and then y plus 125 is 180. Or sorry, not these guys add up to y, but these three add up to 180, and then y plus 125 adds up to 80. And, you know, you can do it that way. But if you want sort of some really fast results that you can use, you just move the x over there, and then you get the equation that 30 plus x must be 125. So it's a nice little shortcut result. And once we get the algebraic expression, the geometry doesn't really matter anymore. And we get 95 degrees for our x. So x is 95, and that is an answer of C. And that squares away question 3 rather nicely. So up next will be question 4. Feel free to give it a try. And, you know, I haven't mentioned this. I usually try and mention it early on, so I haven't mentioned it yet. But you don't have to watch question 4 if you don't want to. If you had difficulty with question 17, you go to question 17, okay? Take a look, you know, give it a try, and then go see how I did it. Or if you want to, you can even click the second link in the description. It takes you to the General Waterloo website, and you can look at their solutions if you want to. Sometimes they differ from me. Okay, lots of ways to do these questions. No right or wrong. Well, there is wrong, but there's no better way in general. Okay, but if you're interested, I'll see you for question number 4 in the next video.